Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super close to my heart and my taste buds. Cooking with the seasons. Now, if you've ever bitten into a perfectly ripe tomato in summer or munched on a crisp apple in the fall, you know just how amazing seasonal produce can taste. So, why not make the most of it? Let's maximize that freshness and flavor in our cooking. Are you ready to get your hands dirty and whip up some delicious dishes? Let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is seasonal eating? Well, it's all about choosing fruits and veggies that are currently in season in your area. Not only does this support local farmers and reduce your carbon footprint, but it also means you're getting produce at its peak flavor, nutrition, and freshness. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Here's a little cheat sheet for you. In spring, you can look forward to asparagus, peas, and strawberries. Summer brings us juicy tomatoes, corn, and peaches. Fall is all about squash, apples, and Brussels sprouts, and winter is perfect for root vegetables, citrus fruits, and hardy greens. Make sure to keep this in mind when you shop. Alright, let's kick things off with a simple yet delicious dish that highlights spring produce. A vibrant asparagus and pea risotto. It's creamy, it's dreamy, and it's packed with flavor. Let's gather our ingredients. Some fresh asparagus, sweet peas, arborio rice, vegetable broth, onion, garlic, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese to finish it off. Oh, and don't forget a splash of white wine for that extra zing. First up, we're going to sauté our chopped onion and garlic in a bit of olive oil until they're nice and translucent. The aroma is already making me hungry. Next, we'll add our arborio rice and toast it for a couple of minutes. This helps to develop that rich flavor we're after. Then, slowly add in your white wine and let it simmer until it's absorbed. This is the moment where the magic starts to happen. Pro tip: always add your broth gradually, allowing it to absorb before adding more. This helps create that creamy texture risotto is famous for. Now it's time to toss in our asparagus and peas. Just look at those vibrant colors. Let them cook until they're tender but still have a bit of crunch. Finally, we'll finish with a generous handful of Parmesan cheese for that ultimate creaminess, and voila! Here we have our asparagus and pea risotto, fresh, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. But we're not done yet. Let's move on to a refreshing summer salad that's perfect for those warm days. For our summer salad, we're using heirloom tomatoes, cucumbers, fresh basil, and a zesty lemon vinaigrette. It's light, refreshing, and packed with flavor. Let's start by chopping up our tomatoes and cucumbers. The colors are just gorgeous, aren't they? Then we'll toss them together with some fresh basil leaves. Now, for the vinaigrette, all you need is olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Whisk that together and drizzle it over your salad. Give it a gentle toss, and you're ready to serve. This salad is not only visually stunning but also bursting with summer flavors. Now that we've prepared our main dish and a refreshing side, let's talk about the importance of seasonal eating. It encourages us to experiment with new recipes and flavors and can truly elevate our cooking game. Plus, supporting local farmers means fresher ingredients and a more sustainable food system. It's a win-win. If you're wondering where to find seasonal produce, check out your local farmers markets or even consider joining a community-supported agriculture (CSA) program. This way, you'll get a weekly box of fresh, in-season goodies right from the farm. Alright, friends, that's a wrap on today's episode of Cooking with the Seasons. I hope you feel inspired to explore seasonal produce and create your own delicious dishes at home. Don't forget to share your seasonal cooking adventures in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and stay fresh.